This problem deals with an inequality. We're asked to determine whether the given point, 0, 0, is a solution of the inequality 3y minus 2x is less than negative 2. The point 0, 0 is a solution if when we substitute 0 for x and 0 for y, the inequality is true. So we will copy the inequality and then substitute 0 for x and 0 for y. This gives us 3 times 0 minus 2 times 0, and we're asking ourselves, is that less than negative 2? Well, 0 minus 0 is 0, so the question is 0 less than negative 2? Well, no, it's not. This is actually a false statement at this point. And since the point 0, 0 does not make this inequality true, the point is not a solution of the inequality. So we could write not a solution.